अब हर साल ऐसी परफॉर्मेंसेस दूंगी कि एक दिन मजबूर हो जाएंगे कि देना ही पड़ेगा।
Taapsee Pannu is on a roll, or should we say, on the run in Bollywood. बट एक वक्त था जब उन्हें एक फिल्म से रिप्लेस किया गया क्योंकि हीरो की वाइफ को वो पसंद नहीं थी। But it has not been an easy journey for the talented young star who has made a mark for herself by essaying powerful characters. With movies Pink, Thappad, Game Over and Man Marziyan, Taapsee has proven her versatility and potential as an actor. Lekin it was not so long ago that she would get bullied around by male actors or powerful filmmakers who would change her lines, replace her in films, or force her to take a back seat to the hero or her male co-star. She was even told she wasn't pretty enough to be an actor. Speaking about her struggle in the film industry to a magazine, Taapsee remembered कि एक वक्त ऐसा भी था जब उन्हें bad luck charm माना जाता था और producers उनके साथ फिल्म करने से कतराते थे। सिर्फ यही नहीं, कई बार उनके साथ लोगों ने unfair और unprofessional तरीके से behave भी किया। But she learned valuable lessons from these experiences. Talking about what she has encountered, Taapsee shared how she was once replaced in a film because her co-star's wife didn't quite take to her. I've been replaced because the hero's wife didn't want me to be a part of the film. Taapsee commented and also spoke about how she was impacted by the male-dominated culture and frequent unprofessionalism in the movie business. I was dubbing for one of my films and I was told that the hero didn't like my dialogue so I should change it. When I refused to change it, they got a dubbing artist to do it behind my back. There was a time when I was told that the hero's previous film didn't work, so you slash your price because we need to control the budget. There was some hero who wanted my introduction scene changed because he felt it would overpower his introduction scene. These are the things that have happened in front of me. I don't know what's happened behind my back. But instead of becoming disheartened or bitter about the difficulties that she has faced, like some of her other industry colleagues, Taapsee learnt from her mistakes and decided over a period of time that she would only take up films jahan unhe script padke genuine khushi milti ho. I decided from now on, I will only take up films that will make me genuinely happy to go to work. People advised me against it because there might be a point of no return. Taapsee also spoke about a certain tag getting attached to female actors when they take films with subjects like she has, while also standing the risk of not being chosen by powerful male actors as their co-stars. But this is a risk she is willing to take.
Risk or, a big experiment we have done with our conviction. Let's hope audiences like it.
More power to you, Taapsee. Now that we have a talented actor like you, even filmmakers can think about making films that tackle unusual, challenging subjects and tell the stories of women from all around India.